In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to clone an Echo360 course section in Canvas. There are 3 main steps, which are first to create a placeholder Echo360 section for your Canvas course, then to clone your Echo360 section under the name of that placeholder, and finally, to reconnect the Echo360 link in your Canvas course to the cloned Echo360 section. Let's begin by navigating to the Canvas course that you want the cloned Echo360 section to be used for. Add an Echo360 course section link to the course via the Add Item menu. Then click on the link. On the following page, select the term that you intend to use for the cloned section. Click the Create Echo360 section button, and you will be brought to the section's homepage. Be sure to make note of the section's name at the top of the page. This concludes the first step. Next, from within Echo360, navigate inside of the specific section that you wish to clone. Click the Settings button in the top right corner, then click the Features tab on the left. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Clone Section button. Then, in the Clone Section dialog box, enter in the section number to use for the clone section, choose the term for the section, then choose the name of the Echo360 course that you created during the first step. When you are finished, click the Clone button. This concludes the second step. Lastly, navigate back to your Canvas course and delete the existing Echo360 link from it. Re-add an Echo360 link to your course via the Add Item menu, then click on it. You will be prompted to once again choose a term for the section. Choose the same term that you set for the cloned section during the previous 2 steps. On the following page, click the drop-down menu for Link to Existing Section homepage. Choose the Echo360 course section that you cloned earlier. Then click the Continue button. Your cloned Echo360 section is now linked to your Canvas course.